Yes, good morning everyone. Today in this class, our fourth and fifth standard children are present to explain some objects called as a 2D, two-dimension and three-dimension objects from the chapter mensuration. What is mensuration? Mensuration is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of two-dimension and three-dimensional objects. Yes. Now, right now, one by one, all the 2D and 3D objects names are going to say by fourth and fifth standard students now. Yes.
Triangle Tribuja. Right angle triangle ಲಂಬಕೋನ ತ್ರಿಭುಜ. Square ಚೌಕ rectangle ಆಯತ. Pentagon ಪಂಚಭುಜಾಕೃತಿ. Circle ವೃತ್ತ. Cube ಚೌಕಘನ. Cuboid ಆಯತಘನ. Cylinder. Cone ಶಂಕು. Triangular based pyramid. Based pyramid. Rectangle based prism. Pentagon based prism.
Yes, I would like to congratulate those who have participated in this mathematics demo. Yes, clap.